bummer.
Oh, come on. I see them dying now.
Wonder how many lives I've got left after that.
Shotgun.
Right.
And even more enemies. There must
Get me
be...
up against the wall.
God. There must be a way to sneak in somehow. Because, yeah, direct approach, not working. Not working at all.
Contact.
Seriously.
There's hardly a shot from here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna load. It's kinda pointless because I'm gonna lose a turn on Larry. Who saw them? Yeah, them. I'm gonna crawl back.
Keep in mind, we didn't get them all.
Let's save. That's not a great start, but I don't think I can hold out.
Just say its prayers.
Seriously, I'm supposed to hit that guy all the way from there. Well, I did hit him. Kinda funny, but not helpful. Not really that helpful. Because I need to get the hell out of here. Because now the other 5 guys are coming out and gonna start shooting at me, so...
Contact.
And this again. Is there no way, no place for you to lie or something? You can lie there. Can she randomly gained agility? Fine. Let's use that tree for cover for 2 people. Surprised that worked, to be honest. Oh, come on, civilians.
You got my ear.
Well, if I can escape now with Eternal and Larry, I'm happy, because I traded 2 damage, I think it was 2, for... Yeah, 2 damage for 49, I think it was, on that guy. So, yeah, if I can somehow not die now, that would be absolutely wonderful. And he only has 18 points. It's not a lot. I'm wondering if approaching from another direction could be good. Like approaching from the north. No, approaching from the north doesn't work because there's no way through here. Though I guess you could come from here. But then again, there's probably enemies all around this area as well, so... And approaching from this side, yeah, it's way too open. So I think you're pretty much screwed either way. Now where could I possibly be safe? Nowhere, I think. Yeah, there's no way you can make that shot, so... Come on, I gotta be out of range somewhere. There is a tree there, after all. God, fine. I don't get the cover system sometimes. It's just really hard to make out where you're going to be safe and where you're not. Like Thor is lying between two trees. I mean, I would not see him from that distance, to be honest, but apparently these guys do.
Jawohl!
Or, since he's flashing green, maybe he has not seen Thor, but Thor can see him. That would be good. I think that, yeah, that would probably mean green, wouldn't it? Yeah, still figuring the game out here. Go on, keep crawling away. Interrupt fire. I'm gonna try. It's not going to work, but I managed to hit him, but yeah, that's not wonderful. He has still not seen Arya, but hey. Yeah, he has not seen her, so he's going to move away. That's pretty good. That's a good way of pressuring. And I have the ammo for it. And if I'd run out of ammo, I'd run 2 squares lower on the map, and I'd have, yeah, plenty, I think. So there was like 30 items there or something. Ridiculous.
You got my ear.
But so far, somehow I'm managing to do more damage to the enemy than they are to me, so... But this is going to take way too long. Way too long. I want that guy to just move so I can actually approach, but don't see it happening. Yeah, I'm gonna try and go north here. Yeah, go north here and maybe try from this side, but I don't really think I'm going to be successful, to be honest. Ara's getting another interrupt, is she? Let's try. No. Nope, that wasn't good. But yeah, if I can just get a lucky shot in at some point, if he's going to be dead. Because the guys on the roof have a pretty good, yeah, field of view. They can see a big area around them, for obvious reasons, so... Would be helpful if he'd just die.
You got my ear.
I'm thinking of maybe just going for another turn and get real time. Much prefer it. Perhaps the smart thing to do would be just wait until it's evening, because then you can get in much easier, or closer at least. Then again, it's easier to totally screw yourself over as well, because you don't see the enemies. 8 points. Yeah, 7 points. It's really not helpful. I'll load that. It was either I'm going to hit him and do some damage, or I'm just gonna lay there and go for real time mode. I believe I'm gonna go for real time mode. Though that guy on the roof has to turn around, because yeah, I can't sneak up to him from here. Gonna have to reload soon too.
You got my ear.
Let's give it another. Really, it's been 2 turns already, hasn't it? Can't I get to real time mode now? Is there an enemy in my view or something? But he's not seen me, so...
You got my ear.
I guess it never goes into real time mode if you have any sort of contact with an enemy. That's good to know, I guess. Come on, hit the guy. God, woman. I'm wondering if I can get closer, since that'll definitely increase my chance of hitting him.